Even though Canto is a hosted product that doesn't require any support from your IT team, you can still brand it to make it feel like an in-house platform. In this tutorial video, I'll show you how to add your branding to a Canto library to always make it match your style. To get started, let's start off in our Canto library and jump over to the account options. Now let's click on the branding tab here. Customizing your branding in Canto includes everything from changing the login screen to the look and feel of the library itself. Let's start off by customizing the login screen. The first thing that I'll do is change out the background image. I'll upload my own background image by clicking on Edit Background and browsing to a new image that's stored on my computer. Then let's also update our logo with a custom one, using the same process here by browsing to a new logo image. Let's also update the welcome message by just typing over it here. Now, next up, you can also change up the inside of your Canto library by making similar changes. In this menu, it's easy to click on any object here and recolor it. As I click on any object, I can simply use the color chooser to select a new color for that element. Incorporate your own team's branding and color scheme here, simply repeating the process for each object that you want to recolor. It only takes a few minutes to recolor your library and update the branding to match your team's needs. Once we've locked in all of our branding, let's go ahead and click Save. Now we'll jump back to the Canto library and you can see our branding options here. Think about branding your Canto library to always make your users feel at home. Thanks for watching.